Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. My name is Muhammad Umar. I'm your English instructor. Welcome to my class. Let's see what we have today. Here's a B-lift and here is the answer of that B-lift. I hope you have solved it. Let's see what B-lift and what learning outcome we have today. Today we are going to discuss B-lift number 16 and there are two SLOs in it. First identify different points of view in story or poem. Second, use familiar patterns such as digraphs, blends, chunks, affixes in an unfamiliar word, mark vowel sound to decode it and pronounce it. What is point of view? It refers to who is telling the story. Different point of views give us different perspective. For example, perspective in a story are shaped by who is telling them. There are three types of point of views: first person point of view, second person point of view, and third person point of view. What is word decoding? Breaking down unfamiliar word into smaller parts to understand them. If you find any unfamiliar word in your text, you have to decode it. Then familiar patterns like blend, digraphs and affixes can help you to decode a word. For example, we have a word unquestionably. We have to decode it to understand it if it is unfamiliar for us. First, we can see there is a prefix in it. Un mean note. Then we have word which is known to us, which is question. Able, it is also a suffix which is capable of. And lastly, we have suffix ly which turn a word into an adverb. What does it mean unquestionably? That means something that cannot be questioned. Let's read the text. A farmer lived in a small village. He had a cat named Mano. He loved her very much. The bond he had with Mano was priceless. He considered himself very lucky to have an extraordinarily bright and enthusiastic cat like Mano. Here we have a word priceless. If it is unfamiliar for you, you have to decode it. Priceless. Less mean having no price. Priceless mean having no price. Then we have one more word, extraordinarily. Let's see the breakdown of extraordinarily. The word we have is extraordinarily. Then let's break it down. Extra. The first part is extra, which means beyond or outside. Then we have root word which is ordinary. Ordinary means something normal. Then we have suffix which is ly, which turn a word into adverb. Then we have another word, enthusiastic. Here the prefix is n, which means in or within. Then enthusiastic refer to a person who has intense interest or excitement about something. Then we have suffix which is ic, turn the root word into an adjective meaning characterized by or related to. Enthusiastic, any person who has keen interest in it. Read the remaining portion of the text and then solve this formative check in your practice book. And here is a thrive, solve it at your home. Okay, bachcho, Allah Hafiz. I hope this lecture will be helpful for you. Thank you so much.